Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto, and today we are looking at the FIFINE Amplitank Tank3 Microphone. We're going to start with an unboxing, and then we're going to take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. I apologize for the label. This is just the way it came, and it's really hard to get it off without really ruining the whole logo in the front, so I just kind of left it. So, yeah, never mind that. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, right away, we have the instructions to the microphone. Get some guides here, what kind of programs to use, what it comes with, advice on how to use the volume and all that, the things that it comes with. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, so super important, this is only the mic. It does not come with the arm. This mic is to be only used with an arm. Picking it up, man, this thing is nice and sturdy. It is metal. It does not feel cheap. Very well constructed. We have the knobs right there, one for the microphone volume, the other one for the headphones for the real-time listening. We have an XLR connection at the bottom, USB-C, and the audio for live listening. Man, this thing is very, very well made. All right, let's look at the cable it came with. Looks like a USB-C. It looks like a really long one too, so that is awesome. So again, I'm going to say this a bunch of times. You do need an arm to use this microphone with. You have to have one already. You can buy a version of this. It's a little more expensive that comes with it. But I'm going to show you how to set it up with the one that I already have. Okay, so this is one that I have. This is like a standard one that most mics come with. And all you're going to do is you're going to thread it to the that connection right there, and we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Right there, that's all you're doing. Okay, here is the microphone. You just pop it in there, secure it. I am going to spare you from watching me clunkily do this over a camera. Okay, so now that it is threaded there, here you go. And that's pretty much it. You can go up and down. The knobs are nicely accessible. You have a mute button right on top. And like I said, this thing is sturdy, nice and heavy. It definitely well constructed. You know this is quality. FIFINE has a very good track record of quality with their mics. Now, if you guys have watched my microphone review videos before, you know that that whole time I was doing the voiceover for the unboxing part of it, I was using the actual microphone we are reviewing right now, the FIFINE Tank 3, and talk about a tank. This thing is well built, it's solid, knobs are easily accessible right here on the side, you got the mute button on top, you have the audio jack in the back for live listening, and this thing is amazing. Now the sound you're hearing right now and during the unboxing were cleaned up because I use Audacity for post. I live next to a very active road with a lot of cars going by, a lot of ambient noise, kids outside, a lot of that kind of stuff, so you guys will kind of hear what things get through and even show up after the cleanup. But what I want to do right now is do a raw audio test, because that really tells you the quality, what kind of things it picks up, what kind of things it doesn't. So let's go ahead and do a raw audio test, and you guys can kind of hear it for yourselves. All right, here we go. This is the raw audio of the FIFINE Tank 3 microphone. This is the raw audio of the FIFINE Tank 3 microphone. So yeah, you can definitely hear some ambient noise in terms of like the cars going by and the overall like room sound, like just the air, the kind of general air hissing that you would hear. But that's fairly common in all microphones. But the main thing is that you're not hearing any static. My voice is still really clear. If I was using this for like podcasting, I definitely would be happy with it. And in fact, if I ever do another podcast again, I might use this as my main microphone, honestly. I do love the design of the microphone. I haven't had one that sits this way on the arm. But I think the quality is really high. I've always been really happy with the FIFINE line of microphones that I have reviewed in the past. So, you know, another home run, and especially price-wise, having it be so accessible. I mean, definitely worth a look at. So if you guys are in the market, you guys want to upgrade a little bit, definitely check this one out. I think the sound speaks for itself. All right. So how much is this and where can you get it? You guys can pick this up on Amazon for $89.99. Now that is a great price for an introductory microphone, but if you're also kind of upgrading at the same time, like you want something that is solid, that's going to work really, really well, but is a slightly higher tier than maybe your entry-level microphones, then this is the way to go. The fact that it comes with the XLR connection gives you a lot more options along with that USB-C. If you just want to connect it to your computer, that's totally fine, but gives you a lot of options with great sound. Highly recommend this. Like I said, you cannot go wrong with FIFINE's products. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.